All right, so we're in our little connect and we're gonna do some driving going up and down hills. Now, I'm bad. I didn't charge it. When you fully charge this, slow down. You're gonna get more power. So I'm gonna show you what this is like on a weak battery. Weak meaning low in its cycle. This is also the first cycle of this. They do take some time to break in. Signals. I love the Connect as well because the signals turn off like a car. Oh, I love that. So this is me going up at a hill. I've got 56 volts, like that's low. When you charge this up, it's 72. Definitely on the low end. Now, the braking on this as well, I have noticed that you do need to press harder on the brakes than you would in a car. Those are much more advanced. These are hydraulic disc brakes, but you've got a lot more advancements in a car. So it's gonna feel more like a golf cart than it is a car when it comes to braking. So don't be concerned if it feels like you have to brake hard, because you do. So I'm gonna go straight here and I'm gonna look both ways and I'm gonna go on the sidewalk so you can see what it's like on a sidewalk from this view. Anyways, these ones are thinner so they do fit well. And I go at a nice slow speed. 12 kilometers an hour is good. Kind of keeping on the brakes because I'm going to go downhill. They clearly go faster going downhill. They're heavier. They're going to gain momentum. So I'm going to press the brakes. And I'm going to turn around. Always looking. And when I'm on the road, see, I'm in a nice residential, I'm going to stick to the side of the road. I'm always looking in my left mirror to see if there's somebody coming. Turn my signal on. And there's a car over there, so I'm going to always keep to the side at a nice, respectable speed. Very demure, very cutesy, very considerate. Now I see this car here. I'm going to pull over and let him go by because I'm coming up to a thinner area, like a more narrow road, right? I don't drive aggressively. I respect the pedestrians and the cars around me. Very demure, very cutesy. Suspension is a little stiffer compared to the Nexa. I'm going to turn on my signal and kind of get into the left side of the lane because I'm going to the left, just like you would do with a bicycle. This is our biggest hill in Mount Albert. Again, I am on the lowest freaking battery. Did not prepare, but you know what? I know that at this end of the cycle that I'm getting this kind of performance makes me very happy. If I was fully charged, I'd be doing 25 up this hill right now. Oh look, there's Claire and a Nexa. All right, and I'm going to signal, look behind me, get into the middle, and pull up behind.